Okay, so you have to give your dog some pills. And these are for ones that are, they're really bogus pills that stink and they stick to their tongue and then they make some foam at the mouth. Take a slice of banana, cut a little bit of the hole out and save the center. Take the pill, stick it back in the banana, cover the hole up with the banana that you took out, and then down the hatch. So take your banana slice, pull the center out, stick your little stinky pill in there, cover it back up, and down the hatch. Good boy, teddy bear.